celebrating print, using music and demonstrating our kit. It's great to combine our strengths with the partners we've got to give reasons for people to come and see us.
It's a great opportunity for us to showcase our capability to focus on all the new products that we're bringing to market, and again, why these are so important in terms of finishing in the commercial printer space.
I think it shows the cross-section and the knitting together of paper merchant, print finishing manufacturers, the customers in the middle, the printers, the diversity, and the fact that we all rely on each other.
It's quite surprising that a sort of manufacturing company would have its own little festival, really, and a very nice combination of demonstrating machinery, but then having a very good social aspect to it as well.
Well, I just think it's something different. There's so many events that go on, and just when it's all based around a bit of a festival vibe, the sun's shining, people are always happy to talk about the industry, so it's a good networking event and a chance to show them our systems.
It's been amazing. So we've seen a couple of machines that we're interested in, and obviously sealed the deal with a few beers.
It's nice to get away from the showroom side of it, so you've got the business side of it and then sort of the party side of it.
Good networking possibilities and great opportunities to meet people in the industry.